guys, my name is Parissa and I'm the client of the month at Hair Queen LA for April. I always like to get a blonde unit from Hair Queen, and today I'm getting a new one. So just follow me along on the journey to my client.
Gripping, got him feeling like he in the choco. Ooh, I think he like me, I be stone cold. I be in my bed staying icy like a bro zone, yeah. Funny how they coming around, acting friendly out the woodworks like they been down. Yeah, I'm stunting cause I'm wearing a crown. Now that I'm stacking my chips, they wanna call me now, but I'm like, you ain't touching us, baby. You ain't touching us, baby.
Period. It looks
so good, like a real Barbie.
Period. I know that's right.
Barbies over here.
Literally, we make Barbies.
I know you are.
Yes, Mayo. How you feeling?
I feel so good. I feel like a Barbie doll.
Yes, client of the month. Get into her. So cute.
Hey guys, I'm Parissa and I was the client of the month at Hair Queen LA. When I got chosen, I was so excited because I was like, there's no way. Like, I was so happy. But today I had like an amazing experience. I got my makeup done, I got my hair done, of course, and I literally feel like a Barbie. My favorite part of the experience today was like seeing my icy, like blonde Barbie finished look. Once I got my curls done after my install, I was so happy because I haven't been like icy blonde in such a long time, and this is like the best tone icy blonde I've ever had. Like anywhere that I've gotten my hair done in Miami or Dallas, so definitely Hair Queen LA is where it's at. And if you want to be chosen as client of the month at Hair Queen LA, comment down below and let us know, or let them know, why you should be the client of the month.
We done today. I'm down with Hair Queen LA. We got that transparent lace. Yeah, you can get your hair slow. I'ma have to come through with my 2 lit